Hello and welcome. When I built my little railway many years ago now, I made the mistake of not considering how I was going to get to some of the more hard to reach points or turnouts as I got older. I'd like to show you how I managed to overcome this problem. Over the years, the track has evolved into an outer oval with a very long inner loop to access the station and platform. I like to be able to operate from the two chairs you can see in the distance, preferably with a good cup of tea and the test match on the radio. I have 2 points which are remote controlled, one behind the greenhouse and the second one that you'll see coming up on the junction on the right hand side here. Operation is by a simple key fob and servo system. The servo and associated controller are mounted in waterproof enclosures as shown. These are made from an old piece of plastic drain pipe. The key fob has 2 buttons, one button controlling each point. The key fob signals themselves are received by an RF relay mounted in an old food container box under the bridge. The 2 LEDs you see on the side just give me a visual indication of which way each route is set. The RF relays themselves are of Far Eastern manufacture and come complete with key fob and as many relays as you should wish. The system is powered by a 12 volt lead acid battery mounted in the railway shed. The servo positioners that I use are from a long established UK company called Heathcote Electronics, although I'm sure not specifically designed for outside use. These are operated for 10 years or more without any great problems. They're also relatively cheap and come with comprehensive instructions, which are very necessary as far as I'm concerned. You will see here is the controller itself, the connections on the right hand side being power connections. We only use 3 of those in the application we're using. On the left hand side are 3 buttons. These control the throw of the servo in each direction, plus the third one controls the speed of operation. Well, that's just about it. Thanks for listening, and I hope you'll be able to make some sense of it. Finally, let's have a small clip of Mountaineer when it was almost new, passing said point with a long passenger train.